Well, like you said, every technology came in for its benefit, but there was always unintended consequences that happen. And in the internet space, as well as young people start getting onto social media sites and start leveraging, there's a lot of interaction that's happening. And by the way, what you put on the net is always there, right? I think there are people who are trying to make use of the data that was never intended to be put to the use that it would be. We've had instances, so I think for us it's very important that at a very early stage of that adoption, people know, and there are only small things that they need to do to make their experience so much better but secure.